Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this.
Alright, here are the main components we're going to need to get this job done. We're going to start off with our grinding bit to get rid of some of that rust. We're going to use our metal screening for shaping, our Bondo glass for strength, and our body filler for looks. Pretty simple.
Day 2. We applied our first layer of Bondo yesterday, we sanded everything down, and here's just another look at our work area. We let everything dry overnight, but I do see a few low spots, so we're going to hit it with a second coat and even everything out, and we'll go from there. Just like that, we have our second coat of Bondo on the car. I started sanding with some 80 grit, then 220, then 600 until she's nice and smooth. So now, the last thing we're gonna have to do, after cleaning everything up with some isopropyl alcohol, we're gonna mask off our work area, and I'm gonna hit it with some rust reforming primer that's paintable. And after that dries, we're gonna throw some rubberized undercoating just so it matches the rest of the car. And here it is. We laid down some primer, let it dry, and then threw on some rubberized undercoating to match the rest of the car. But we're gonna let that dry overnight since it is gonna start raining. And I'll throw on the wheel in the morning and update you guys tomorrow. The wheel's back on, everything's cleaned away, and take a look at those results. That 3M spray was just fantastic because the fit, the finish, the texture is just fantastic. I just hate how it's not matching the rest of the car, but once I go to repaint it, we can take care of that. And that's also the reason why we didn't get rid of this little rust hole. I didn't want to sand it, paint it, prime it, and have a colorless patch just sitting there because I don't have any red paint at the moment. But overall, this was a pretty successful project. I hope this gave you a little bit of insight of what you need to do if your fender's messed up. But yeah, thanks for watching.